Voters are ready to pull the vaccine. To avoid it.
JCB takes on. 20 seconds on the clock.
Oh,
Man,
no.
look at that smoke.
Tristan England, well, of course, he was bringing the heat. He said he was going to leave it all on the line during the freestyle run. He didn't care what condition that truck was running in. And, of course, he is a man of his word. Working, backflip, boom. Coming off with some good air, throwing it into a moonwalk combination on the front two BKT tires. After this, some big air from this man.
But we're not done.
And it sounded like